Top 20 ways to study well and reach high scores. Good study habits are essential for students to be successful in school. It can help them develop strong foundations that will carry them through their academic career and beyond. Here are some tips to get started. 1. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks while studying helps you to stay fresh and focused on the task at hand. In addition, it allows your brain to absorb more information in a shorter period of time when you return to your studies. 2. Get enough sleep. Studying requires both physical and mental energy, so make sure that you get enough sleep during exam season. Getting enough rest will help your body stay strong and energized for those long study sessions. 3. Test your knowledge. Testing yourself is one of the best ways to quickly evaluate what you know and don't know before an exam. Quizzing yourself can help strengthen weak areas or reinforce concepts that you already understand well. 4. Create flashcards. One of the most common study strategies, flashcards are a great tool for breaking down larger concepts into smaller, more manageable pieces. Plus, they're portable and can easily be used while on the go or in between classes. 5. Take notes. Taking notes is essential when it comes to studying for an exam. Not only does it help you understand complex topics better, but having your own notes will also come in handy if you need to review information quickly before the test begins. 6. Read out loud. Reading out loud forces your brain to break down each word, which helps you remember the material better than simply reading silently in your head. Additionally, speaking aloud helps you to pronounce difficult words, which could be beneficial if the exam requires any speaking. 7. Take a practice exam. Taking a practice exam helps to build confidence for when the real exam comes around. It also allows you to get familiar with the format, so that you can focus on the material rather than stressing out about the test itself. 8. Join a study group. When studying for an upcoming exam, it's always helpful to join forces with other students who are preparing for the same test. Not only will this give you access to multiple perspectives on the material, but you'll also be able to help each other stay accountable and motivated throughout your study sessions. 9. Make connections. Making connections between concepts can help your understanding of the material, while also making it easier to remember when you're taking the exam. To do this, think about how one concept is related to another and why they are important together. 10. Get plenty of sleep. Lastly, getting enough sleep each night is essential for retaining information and doing well on an upcoming exam. So make sure that you give yourself time to rest and relax before the big day. This will help ensure that you have all the energy and focus needed to ace your test. Before I complete the rest of the methods, I want to give you some important information that you will never hear about. I learned very important information from Feng Shui, when we put a paintbrush on our desk while studying, which gives us smooth studying. Another important thing is to put a bottle of water next to you, because water has a memory and save all the information when you say it out loud. Take array, and we will take the same bottle of water with us to the exam to help us remember the information back again. The source of Feng Shui knowledge goes back to Dr. Maha Al-Adar, China 2014. Back to the other 10 ways to study well and achieve your goal. 11. Make a study schedule. Developing and sticking to a regular study schedule is key to setting yourself up for success in school. Figure out when and where you do your best work, and create a plan that works with your lifestyle. 12. Get organized. Keeping your workspace neat and organized will help you stay focused on completing tasks more quickly and efficiently. Invest in organizational materials such as folders, notebooks, pens, etc., so everything you need stays in one place. 13. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks during long studying sessions allows your mind to reset and recharge. It's important to allow yourself time to relax in order to stay productive throughout the day. 14. Set goals. Setting achievable goals for yourself can help motivate you to stay on task and see progress over time. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Smart. 15. Don't procrastinate. It is easy to get distracted by things such as social media or television when studying at home. Avoid procrastination by staying focused on the task at hand and avoiding anything that will distract you from accomplishing your goal. 16. Ask questions. If there is something that you don't understand during class or while studying, make sure to ask questions. This will help you gain a better understanding of the material and can also help you build relationships with teachers or classmates. 17. Take good notes. Taking notes during class or in study sessions is essential for remembering information and referencing important concepts later on. Make sure to take clear, comprehensive notes that are easy to reference when needed. 18. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is important for being productive throughout the day and staying focused on your tasks at hand. Developing a good sleeping schedule will ensure that your body is adequately rested so you can succeed in school. 19. To get organized. Before starting a study session, it is important to have all of the materials you need in order to study effectively. Make sure your work area is clean, and that you have all the books and materials necessary, and create a plan for how you want to tackle the material you are studying. 20. To focus on one task at a time. It can be tempting to try and do multiple tasks simultaneously, but this can be counterproductive. Instead, try to focus on one task at a time and really commit yourself to it. This will help you to really concentrate and increase your level of understanding. Moving on to the next exam, best of luck once again. We hope that these tips have helped you understand how to study well and achieve a high score on your tests. Keep up the good work and know that you are capable of achieving great things if you put your mind to it. Good luck from all of us here at Study Guide Headquarters. Smiley face. In order to study well and achieve my goals, I have developed a few simple strategies that help me stay focused and motivated. First, I make sure to create a schedule for myself so that I can allot specific times for studying and other activities. This helps me keep on track with the tasks that need to be completed in order to meet my goals. Secondly, I break up long tasks into smaller chunks and focus on completing those one at a time rather than tackling them all at once. Doing this helps prevent procrastination and allows me to stay organized when studying. Finally, I reward myself after achieving milestones or completing certain tasks as an incentive to continue working hard towards reaching my goal. By following these steps, I am able to stay focused and motivated while studying. It has also allowed me to set realistic goals, prioritize my tasks, and effectively manage my time. By doing so, I am able to achieve a much higher level of success than if I were not using these strategies. The key takeaway is that with the right strategies in place, anyone can succeed in reaching their educational goals. With hard work and dedication, anything is possible. Overall, studying effectively requires more than just knowledge and reading. It takes discipline, dedication, and the right strategies to ensure you stay focused and motivated throughout your journey toward achieving success. With careful planning and guidance, anyone can excel in their studies and reach their goals. I strongly believe that by following these steps, you too can maximize your full potential and become successful in all of your academic endeavors. Additionally, I like to create a study environment that is conducive to learning by limiting outside distractions like my phone or other electronics. This helps me remain focused on my tasks without getting sidetracked by my surroundings. Having a designated workspace also keeps me organized so that I can easily access the materials I need to study. Additionally, I break down my tasks into smaller chunks to make them more manageable and doable instead of trying to tackle everything at once. Doing this helps prevent procrastination and allows me to stay organized when studying. Finally, I reward myself after achieving milestones or completing certain tasks as an incentive to continue working hard towards reaching my goal. By following these steps, I am able to stay focused and motivated while studying. It has also allowed me to set realistic goals, prioritize my tasks, and effectively manage my time. By doing so, I am able to achieve a much higher level of success than if I were not using these strategies. The key takeaway is that with the right strategies in place, anyone can study effectively and efficiently regardless of the subject matter or difficulty. I hope this has been helpful in providing you with some tips and strategies to help you stay on track and reach your goals. Good luck! Finally, don't forget to take breaks while studying as well. Taking regular breaks helps keep me refreshed and prevents my mind from getting overwhelmed. I usually take a 10 to 15 minute break after every hour of studying to give myself time to recharge. This helps me stay focused when I come back to continue studying. Additionally, it also helps me maintain a positive attitude toward my studies, which is essential for staying motivated throughout the process. With these tips in mind, I am able to stay on track, study diligently, and achieve my goals. I hope this has been helpful in providing you with some tips and strategies to help you stay on track and reach your goals. Good luck! Good study habits are essential for achieving success at school. Here are some tips that can help you get started on the path to becoming a successful student. Some other tips for succeeding in school include setting realistic goals, staying organized, and making sure you don't overextend yourself. Break down complex tasks into smaller,